Alright, so in this video we will be talking about the dictionary. So dictionary is also kind of data type with run by Python. So basically if you look at the dictionary, a real dictionary, right? So you will find that sorry, sorry, okay. So if you look at the dictionary you will find that there are some key values, right? And then key values are equal to some other value, right? So similarly Python provide unordered collection of data types, right? So it is actually different from other data types, like you have seen that tuples, list, and sets. So it is completely different. In dictionary, basically, we have the key value, key and the values, right? So there are two things are available, right? And this is a kind of mapping. You can think of it one-to-one mapping, right? So let's look at the examples. How we create dictionary and get dictionary. We start by this man. So we have to make this. Oops. Now, suppose there are keys. Okay. Okay, you can see here how dictionary is being actually created. So dictionary hold basically key and value that I've told you here, right? So key provide the dictionary to make it more optimized, and that's how the dictionary is being created. Okay, look at this. So this is the key value, and this is the key and this value, right? So you can access these values through the keys. How to access items in dictionary. So to access that, same method that we have used in tuple list sets. So just give the key value, it will going to return the exact actually the stored value, right? So and if you have to, there are actually many methods to access the elements of the dictionary. So first is okay, if you want to print the only key values, so you can print the key values by taking the X element or any element. So it default by default actually it will going to print the key value, and if you want the exact values, what are the values are there, so you can print the values by using the values methods, and if you want to print both you can print both this way, right? So this is about the dictionary. Okay, so creating the for and looking at okay, brown and so it was brown and sorry brand and so let's make different something different. Dictionary album. So, so the album name is okay. Create another dictionary. So suppose this is so name is Saleh and the address. So address would going to be Jahanvi Rahman. Okay, this would be government and age. So age is going to be around 20 years, right? Problem. Vowels syntax. Mm, Let's record the command. We have to use command. Yeah. So the dictionary is being created. As you can see here, dictionary. And so the name is there. Exactly, key values are name, address, and bottom. These are the key values, and there is the values, right? So if you and what are the methods which are available? If you want to see the methods, you can see all the methods which are available here. So clear copy, from keys, get items, keys, pop items, simplify, and update values. So all of the methods are available as we have seen in previous videos. And I think I like suppose you want to access all the elements for X in the dictionary. Print X. So you can see it here, it is printing the only key values, right? And if you want to print the values in the dictionary dot values, print X. So you will see that it is printing the values, this value, right? These values. And nothing more, if you want to print both things, X and Y, in the dictionary, syntax error. Uh, uh, dictionary print X, Y. Okay, too many values to unpack. Going to unpack values first. So this can be here. Remove the items method. Now this where we are packing the value. So yes, now you can see all the values are printed. So these are the basic things that I'm telling you, but later we're solving many problems regarding this. So we'll knowing more about it, right? So thanks for watching.